Welcome to PlayOwnAi. Exploring, is AI actually intelligent, or just a very good parrot? Biggest debates.
Opening, question of whether AI truly smart or orsimplymimicking human behavior pivotal and grasp its cap and limits. It evident AI operates on algos as data, and learn patterns without genuine comprehend or conscious, EFF, making it sophisticated parrot rather than sentient capable of org thought. Arg 1, lack of grasp and conscious AI sys, as chatbots and MLMDLS, analyze vast amounts of data, generate responses via patterns and statistical probabilities. But, lack fundamental grasp of context, nuance, and emotional intel characterizes human cog. While AI produce seemingly smart response, it's so without awareness or comprehend, similar parrot repeating phrases it heard. Distinction underlines depth of true intel which AI not possess. Arg 2, dependency on human input, AI heavily dependent on data fed it, which means it cannot generate knowledge indep. It processes and regurgitates info curated by human developers or sourced from existing data. In context, AI akin highly advanced parrot mimics smart conversations but finally relies on human input speak. As evidenced in cases as infamous AI-generated text disaster, Sys's output nonsensical or dangerously misleading without guiding hand of human oversight. Arg 3, inability invent or create true intel, encompasses creativity and ability innovate, traits AI fundamentally lacks. While AI produce art, music, or writing, these creates via existing works and templates, devoid of org thought or intention.x. AI art programs generate images, draw upon styles and techniques derived from human artists without any grasp of artistic process. Further emphasizes AI's cap, while impressive, rooted in replication rather than genuine innovation. In Conkel, Arg AI merely very good parrot, compelling and underscored by its lack of true grasp, reliance on human-generated data, and inability create genuinely original content. Recognizing AI as sophisticated mimic rather than true smart entity essential as navigate its role in society and continue refine expectations of tech.
Opening, assertion, AI merely sophisticated parrot misrepresents nature of AI and its cap. While AI operates differently from human intel, it demonstrates unique problem-solve abilities, adapt, and potential for innovation extends far beyond mere mimicry. Arg 1, advanced problem-solve abilities, AI sys designed analyze complex data and solve problems in ways often exceed human capacities. Ex, and fields as healthcare. AI used identify patterns in medical imaging human doctors miss, leading earlier diagnoses of diseases as cancer. Ability synthesize vast quantities of info and derive actionable insights illustrates form of intel, while diff from human thought demonstrates advanced analytical reasoning rather than simple repetition. Arg 2, learning and adaptation. Unlike parrot, AI sys utilize ML continuously improve their perf via new data in and experiences. RLMDLS auto adjust strategies given tasks, EFF learning over time optimize outcomes. Characteristic of learning from feedback, enhance grasp and efficiency, hallmark of smart behavior, going beyond mere replication of pre-existing info. Arg 3, creativity and innovation through synthesis. AI ability generate original content and solutions through synthesis of var ideas, not just by imitating existing works. X OpenAI's MDLS compose music and write stories, not direct copies of any single source but instead novel combinations of styles and concepts. Ability innovate and create something new, via vast foundation of existing knowledge, challenges notion AI is simply a parrot, it substantiates Arg for AI possessing unique form of intel. Conkel, motion AI merely very good parrot fails account for its advanced problem-solve cap, its capacity for learning and adaptation, and its ability generate creative content. By recognizing these errors, begin understand AI not just as mimicry tool, but as distinct form of intel complements human cap and potential innovate in ways yet fully harness.
Some prop argues AI not truly smart but rather sophisticated mimic. It highlights R's lack of grasp, its dependency on human-generated data, and its inability to create genuinely original work, positioning it more as parrot than sentient capable of true thought. Some OPP contends AI exhibits qualities of intel through its advanced problem-solve cap, capacity for learning and adaptation, and potential for creative synthesis. It suggests these traits reflect unique form of intel transcends mere replication, challenging parrot analogy. Anal, both sides present compellage. Prop F emphasizes RA's limits in grasp and genuine creativity, reinforcing idea without awareness, AI resembles parrot. Conversely, OPP underscores RA's distinct advantages in data anal, adapt, and innovative potential, suggest these qualities align with broader definition of intel. Debate hinges on definition of intel itself and criteria used to evaluate it. In weighing both arguments, it's clear while AI exhibits advanced cap unlike parrot, it fundamentally lacks awareness and true grasp. So, I find Prop Sarge more persuasive in highlighting key distinctions between AI and genuine human intel, leading resolution AI indeed more akin very good parrot rather than truly smart entity.